Hello, on the Ickonic Connect, the news show this week, the news put into context, not only what has happened, but why it's happened. And included this week are revelations about the war criminal Tony Blair in relation to the lies and deceit surrounding the invasion of Iraq in 2003. Revelations that were in a book I published called Tales from the Time Loop in 2004, but have now been confirmed by official memos. Amazing how many conspiracy theories turn out to be true. So that's the Connect, the news show on Ickonic every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK.